no, not again. The fuel tank is empty. This place feels so empty. There's nobody around. I need to hurry. Fill the fuel tank quickly.
Oh, this is my target today. Now go and do work. Take this.
Ah, I'm injured.
Today, do hard work and get a good car.
Ha ha ha!
I am a very good thief.
I have to get to the hospital.
Oh no, no! The car's petrol is finished. All right then, let's fill it up. Full tank.
Go fast and get a new car. Take this.
No, baby, you take this?
Oh no, I am injured. Go to the hospital. This is karma. Do good and have good.